Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove an account warning on TikTok by submitting a report to TikTok support. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok application on your phone. You'll land on the TikTok homepage where you can browse Reels and videos. Tap on Profile at the bottom right corner to access your TikTok profile page. Now, go to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down to the Support and About section and tap on Help Center. This is where you can contact TikTok support for help. Once you're here, tap on Submit a Report at the bottom. In the text bar, describe the issue you're facing. For example, you can write, "I received an account warning and would like help removing it. I believe this was a mistake and request a review of my account status." Be clear and polite when explaining your situation to TikTok support. Once you've written your message, tap Submit at the bottom to send your report. TikTok support will review your request and respond within a few days. They'll let you know if they can remove the account warning or provide more information. And that's how you appeal and request removal of an account warning on TikTok. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more TikTok help and account management tutorials. Thanks for watching.